Hello and welcome. This is Cryptos Chain from Simple Cryptocurrency Reviews. In this video, I'd like to present to you some news that came out 2 days ago from Neo Name Service on NeoNewsToday, as well as some news from today. So I'm going to read about both of them so that you guys are aware of what's actually going to happen with the company called NEL, which is New Econolabs, which has developed the Neo Name Service as well as the Crypto Gladiator game. So as we can see here on NeoNewsToday, NEL publishes updates on incentive programs, education initiatives, and game development. New Econolabs NEL has released its bi-weekly report for September. The report includes information about the developer incentive program, technology open classes, and NEL game updates. So the developer incentive program, NEL reported that 3 users were rewarded with NNC tokens for submitting issues found in the NEL GitHub repositories. Under the Treasure DOU, submitted small-scale improvements on the O3 API test repository, and they were awarded with 200 NNC. And another user was found and has found and submitted a small problem in the neons.name repository and was rewarded with 50 NNC. And lastly, another user called Blacktrace was submitted another small problem and was rewarded with 50 NNC as well. Now, some of the bigger news from this article. So technology and community development. So NEL has also been focusing on technology and community development. On September 22nd, NEL held a Neo Smart Contract Development and Debugging live course. The live course was held both in person in Yangpu, China, and streamed online. Topics of focus including the Neo Smart Contracts, publishing and debugging a contract, and contract verification and applications, among others. The next class will be focused on the Neo Name Service system design and implementation and is scheduled to be held on October 20th. NEL has established its BBS site, which is an open source forum with technical learning materials for developers. Registration for the forum is free, and the platform will soon support WeChat login. Since its inception on Friday, September 14th, the forum has witnessed user-oriented activities and participants rewarded with NNC tokens. Progress on the NEL CLI transformation plan phase 1 is about 80% complete, with the Neo CLI is nearly ready to import CLI raw data into MongoDB, which will provide more efficient privatized storage, query, and data analysis. NEL's Neo Test toolset has been designed to test the marginal UTXO numbers that leads to C-gas conversion failure, and more powerful useful tools will be added to the toolset in the future. For users and developers interested in learning more about the Neo Test toolset, visit the following link on GitHub. Now, the last piece of news from this article is that NEL Games and Game Development Platform, so the Black Cat, witnessed a variety of improvements in the second half of September, which include background English version support, currency-to-currency transaction and wallet monitoring function, C-gas coordinated refunds, and exchange user interface, UI design improvements, among others. Crypto Gladiator is currently undergoing a new structural redesign to solve the following problems. 1. A high threshold that doesn't allow users to play without spending money, a low performance of public chain to support the communication needs of the game, and higher requirements of cryptocurrency users to earn money in the game. And lastly, complex logic support to increase user interaction and increase retention. For more information about NEL, visit one of the links below. So that's pretty important news, guys, because we haven't heard too many news from Crypto Gladiator lately, and these are the latest news we got now. So hopefully we're going to see some adoption of that game. It is a really nice game. The only downside to it, in my opinion, is that you cannot control the actions of the gladiators. So you need to let the blockchain make the decisions for you, which means that you depend on owning a really strong player, a really strong gladiator, in order to win a match. Okay, let's move on to the latest news from today. So New Econolabs publishes NNS report outlining updates in preparations for mainnet launch. This is the big news, guys. So New Econolabs has published its second bi-weekly Neo Name Service NNS report for September, highlighting its numerous project and ecosystem updates. The team began its report by reminding readers about the impending launch of its mainnet on October 9th. Following the launch of the NNS mainnet, the platform will enable domain name mining for a period of 2 weeks. From October 9th to October 23rd, NNS will allow users to bid on the .neo extensible domains via an auction process with mining rewards for successful bidders. So guys, I'm going to be posting the links to my bidding demo videos at the end of this video so you guys can see exactly how you can bid using the NNS wallet. This will be really useful and it will make life a lot easier for you if you follow the step-by-step process as per my demo. So to continue on, users bid on auctions using gas. Auction winners receive their .neo domains and a proportionate amount of NNS tokens to the auction's closing gas price. Domain mining rewards will be issued under the following terms and structure. Domain name winners will be rewarded with 70 NNC for each one gas they spend if the domain auction start time is between the 9th of October and 16th of October, GMT plus 8. The domain name winners will be rewarded with 50 NNC for each one gas they spend if the domain auction start time is between 16th of October and 23rd of October, GMT plus 8. And the amount of NNC that will be rewarded in the domain name mining activity will be no more than 100 million NNC, which is 10% of the NNC total supply. If there is any NNC left, the leftover NNC will be locked up. All NNC rewards will be delivered after the domain name mining is closed. Now, finally, the NNS ecosystem updates. Besides the upcoming launch of the NNS mainnet, the team has been busy behind the scenes expanding its ecosystem. One notable development is Nell's cooperation and eventual integration with the O3 wallet, an application for storing NEO, gas, and other NEP5 tokens. O3 will support the transfer of the .neo domain sometime between October 8th and October 15th. At the end of October, O3 users will be able to bid on the .neo domains within the application. So that's pretty cool stuff. You'll not only be able to use NNS's wallet, but you'll also be use the O3 mobile wallet to bid for the .neo domains, guys. So that's going to be very flexible, being able to do it from your mobile phone. Now, the team also worked on the platform's backend API, adding numerous features such as the ability to query a domain name status and registration information. The transaction sending interface was also optimized, and the API is now compatible with the Neo CLI 2.9.0 log contract notification structure. Now, just before I move on to the next statement there, I'd just like to say that because they're going to do it, they're going to allow this bidding to be done on the O3 wallet. It's very likely, because NeoName Service did announce that they're going to set up a domain bidding on the Ontology blockchain as well, which means that anybody that's on the Ontology blockchain will be able to replace their address with a domain name ending in .ont. So because NeoName Service will also be deploying a smart contract on the Ontology blockchain, that's very likely, it's not confirmed, that you will be able to do domain name bidding on the O3 mobile app for both Ontology and the Neo blockchain, which is pretty awesome news. 2 in 1. Okay, let me continue off there. So extensive development was also done on the NNS front end in preparation for its mainnet launch. The team increased its security measures of converting gas to C-gas, an NEP5 equivalent to gas used in Neo smart contracts. NNS wallets also now display transaction fees for transfer between addresses. Nell also posted videos highlighting the usage of its testnet. The videos were produced by a participant of the NNS tutorial competition. The 2 videos can be seen here. More information on new Econolabs and NeoName Service can be found at the links below. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to cover, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and please don't forget to enable notifications. It's very important, guys, so that you guys are notified when I post a video. As well as, please don't forget to follow me on Twitter, where I also post updates from time to time. Thank you very much, and I hope you look forward to my next video. See you later. Goodbye.